जिंदगी हाँ थोड़े थोड़े फासले थे, कुछ तेरे कुछ मेरे क्यों दरमिया। जिंदगी हाँ थी जो शिकायतों को कुछ तूने कुछ मैंने सुलझा लिया। जिंदगी हाँ थोड़े थोड़े फासले थे, कुछ तेरे कुछ मेरे क्यों दरमिया। जिंदगी हाँ थी जो शिकायतों को कुछ तूने कुछ मैंने सुलझा लिया। तेरे इशारों पे मैं चलता रहा, मेरे इशारों पे तू भी चल कभी। तेरे इशारों पे मैं चलता रहा, मेरे इशारों पे तू चल कभी। बह चला मुसाफिर कहाँ बह चला। बह चला मुसाफिर कहाँ बह चला।
Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is your Ravi welcoming you back to one more episode of Explorer RN. It had been raining very heavily in the last month and I feel the climate is now changed a little bit and it's a time to go out. So this time I am planning to find out a temple. Basically I don't know, but I remember I had been to that temple I think 4 to 5 years back and I feel still that temple would be there. Let's see. On the way we will walk through. Basically this time we are not cycling, we are walking this time, and we will walk through paved and unpaved roads, different terrains, and we will see what is there on our way. So let's kickstart our journey. Before starting, let us take a look at my native home and the surroundings of my home. This is a mango tree. Here there is one coconut which is just growing, and backside we can see a huge coconut tree with the coconuts hanging. Sometimes I try to get water from them. In fact, I have drunk lot many times. Again, mango, beautiful garden which has been developed and constructed by my parents. Here there is a paper board. Then here it's a chiku tree basically backside. Then this one is a lemon, and this is how that row is continuing up to the gate. Different varieties of veggies can be found here, and it's quite good that when you prepare any eatable in your home, you get everything from here basically. You don't need to go to vegetable market. On this note, I'm starting my journey to find out the temple, probably a lost temple, and the landscape has also changed quite after so many years. The stream on the backside of me is the one who will meet up with the river which is just near to the temple. You will keep this in mind, I'll show you there. The sun has been quite harsh today, it's bright sunny day out, but I have to keep walking because I have to come back by here. There are cattle grazing around on the either side of the road on the way, and the stream is parallelly flowing along with the road. Chala. On the way I met one of my friend's grandmother, and she is ensuring that the groundnuts are ready for grandsons basically. Okay, and very good. आजी जातो मस्तपैकी शेंगा होत्या. पाण्या चल. After eating groundnuts, I'm just continuing my journey and took the blessings from the grandmother. The temple is right there at the dam wall, which can be seen from here. We have to go there and find out the temple. I have crossed half the way, almost 1.5 hours of walking. It's a beautiful sun out here, small, sweet breeze, cool breeze is blowing. Nature is calling and we have to just keep walking before the sun sets. I am still walking, and it's very difficult to walk in such a hot sun. But the greenery either side is very beautiful, which is keeping me going. There are crops in the farms. One can see this is particularly a soybean crop, and there are groundnuts, rice on the way. It's very beautiful. Backdrop is a very beautiful mountain. I'm about to finish this unpaved road, and I'm going to meet the intersection of the paved road, and from there we will take right and we'll head towards the lost temple. Finally I have reached the intersection, and this is the main road which comes from the city, and we have to go this way. The temple is this way. The paved road has started, and there will be one more intersection on the way. The stream which we saw in the previous village, and I have reached one more village on the way. So this is the one which will meet up the river further. I have reached one more intersection on the way, almost 2 hours of walk. This way there is an Urmodi dam, and this is where we have to go. This way goes to one of the villages, Laungar villages, that is also in the mountain. So we will continue a journey to this way. Let's get started. The dam wall is now visible in front of me, although the walk has been quite treacherous. It's been a long time that I've been walking. The temple should be somewhere around here. Though the landscape has changed, I'll find out the temple. I have reached one more junction of the roads, and finally I came to know that after asking some of the villagers, the temple is this way. Fine. The dam wall is just behind me. You can see that there's a lot of water behind this wall. There is one hotel coming up behind me, and hopefully it will run as the one expected. Let's continue this way. Yes, I know that. हा दादा हो पुढेच आहे ना ते मंदिर तिथे तेच ना ते हा थँक्यू. After a treacherous walk of almost 4 hours, I have reached the temple, and this way goes to the temple. I had told you there is a river that flows by the temple, and all those streams which we have seen so far on the way will come and meet this river. and there is a dam wall, and there is a huge water storage behind this. So let's get up close with the temple and seek for the God's blessing. There is one person who was chilling out here. He woke up. After taking outside looks of the temple, let's get inside. It's a very beautiful and peaceful temple. I have gone through the outside and inside of the temple, and this has been a very soulful journey. Though I have walked for 4 hours, but after coming here, it is sheer peace. Look at this fellow, he's got the moksha also. There is a river flowing by, and it is very peaceful. Ambience is very fantastic. God's blessings also take part in the life. And now it's a time to go back home because the sun is setting down. I hope this journey was good for everyone, and this is your Ravi signing off once again, and we will meet next time in one more exploration. Thank you.